Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but the video quality might be a little bit better. I did get an actual camera to start doing my videos, so let me know in the comments below if you guys notice a difference throughout this video. I don't have a mic yet. I did order it. It's in the mail, so just bear with me for these couple videos. Should be here next week-ish, but don't quote me on it. Today's video, we got a whole bunch of RC all-wheel drive upgrades. We're not going to be installing them all because it's a couple different things. We're going to put our main focus on the Portal Axles. We got the new V3 design, and we also got the plus 4mm extensions to put in the Portal Axles to give it a little bit more wider stance. So let's get on with today's video. So the main focus of this video is going to be these Portal Axles. They are the newer version. Very nice details of the case. So here is the Portal Axles. It's the newer style with the upgraded CVD shafts inside. They are very nice quality. Like I said, this is my third pair of axles. So I'm excited to get the newer version on and see how they perform. Very thick diff cover, very heavy, it's got good weight. And these are the extensions. So you'll take out the portal cover and you'll change out these stubs for these stubs, which are 4mm longer. I'm just gonna show you what else we got quick. So we did get the monster truck wheels and tires, which they look phenomenal. So we're gonna find something to put that on. We also got a motor and transmission for the SCX24. Already ready to go, which I will show you what build that's going on. Also another set of the Cyber wheels, but we got the black ones this time. So excited to put these on also. So if you guys follow my Instagram, I did put the chassis on my Bronco. Performs really well, looks really good. Like I said, angled skid, huge ground clearance, and really affordable. So if you want to see more of this Bronco, go check out my Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description below. And go get yourself one. Let's just get a closer look at this quick. Like I said, angled skid, huge amount of ground clearance underneath there. Everything's 3D printed, goes together really easy. So this is going to be the new build. I'm going to try to keep it basic, but also make it a big performer. So I have probably FuryTech electronics. I do have aluminum axle housings with the 4mm extensions. I did order some more parts. I ordered a servo, a whole bunch of other stuff that we need. So keep your eyes peeled for this one. You guys don't want to miss what kind of body I throw on it. Alright, so this is the rig that the Portal Axles are going to go on. So we're going to swap these out now, and then we're going to check them out. So before we get going, we're going to swap out these stubs with the 4mm longer ones. Alright, we got them both built, got the extensions on. Let me know in the comments below if you guys actually like this look, because I think it looks so darn good. Alright guys, I got an idea. Stay tuned. That mud pit is so much fun from the Hangar RC. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick one up at. So the biggest advantage with running Portal Axles is 1 finger, 2 finger. Gives you a load more ground clearance. So that's why I like to run Portal Axles on most of my builds. I do have a couple of builds with the straight axle. I mean, they perform really well also, but I just prefer the Portal Axles just because it gives you a little bit more ride height, and like I said, with that ground clearance. guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, leave a comment below if you guys noticed any video quality upgrades. I do have a mic on order, like I said earlier, so once that shows up, it should be a lot better. Just bear with me for the time being, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next video.